Hi guys, this is Ekenethan God and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the problem of the Hamster Kombat daily combo where you are required to invite 4 friends to unlock a particular country. So I'm going to be helping you with that. For example, now let's check here, go to mine and legal. As you can see, you see something here like invite 4 friends to open Bangladesh, invite 3 friends to open India, license Indonesia, and all that. So I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to um the app I'm going to use to show you the tutorial. So first of all, the first thing we'd want to do is go back and go to Play Store. We are on Play Store, guys. We need to look for this particular app. This is the app. You just have to search for clone app. This is the app. You need to download the app and then open it. We are going to be using it to create multiple Telegram accounts. Okay, I'm on the VIP level, and you can get VIP for free just by watching few ads. So here are the Telegram accounts I have here. I have multiple Telegram accounts. I can create more Telegram account. I can just click here and create more, click here and click here and click here, and I'll keep creating more and more Telegram accounts. So you can even add it to your desktop. You just have to click on desktop shortcut. Just uh, click and hold the app and then click on desktop shortcut, click on here and then go to your desktop. You can see the shortcut here. You can click on it. You can access it through your mobile phone homepage without having to go into the app. So you can see this is amazing, guys. But the issue now not is how to get multiple phone numbers to verify your Telegram account. So I'm going to be showing you two ways I use to get free phone numbers. You can go to 5sim.com. First of all, let's use SMS Activate. So this SMS Activate, they give out free phone numbers to their users. So as you can see, free numbers on SMS Activate. You don't even have to register to get free numbers. So you can see country, but they have few countries though. They update the country, I think every day, or I don't know. You just have to keep coming back for new numbers. You can see Netherlands, Indonesia, Thailand, Cyprus, Portugal. You can just click any country of your choice, and then Thailand have around okay, one number. You just have to click on copy the number and then go to Telegram. Okay, let me use Telegram 15. So you just have to choose your country, Thailand, and paste the code here, the number here. You just have to click yes, continue, and then verify your phone number, and then do it and do it and do it over again. And you can, okay, this number is not available. So there's another option if you don't want the free, and in this second option, you can use around $1 to get up to 10 phone numbers depending on a country you choose. So I'm going to be showing you. I normally use this one. I prefer to use 5 sims. I prefer to use 5 sims for my services. So this is how much number I bought from them. This is you click on Telegram, click on, you can see the list of countries here. You can see the list of countries here. So I normally like to use Filipino because you see how much it costs to get a Filipino number. It's very cheap. So I'm going to try Filipino. So I just purchased a Filipino number right now. You can see successfully purchased, and you can use it to do whatever. So I'm not going to use it to receive SMS, since if I use it to receive any SMS here, it means that the money is going to be deducted from my account. So I'm going to click cancel and the money will turn back to my funds. So there are multiple payment ways you can make payment to this website from any country you are right now. So I'll refer you to 5 sims. So that's it, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and just click the like button. It's very important to me. Thank you.